help reduce energy cost. They help minimize heat gain so the air conditioning is not running all the time. They typically pay themselves back over time. The films are designed to reflect the heat out, absorb the heat. My name is Blake. I've been working with Scottish for about 15 years now. The film will help reduce energy cost so your air conditioners aren't trying to keep up and run all the time. So they help minimize heat gain. It'll help make everybody more comfortable. It'll help minimize energy cost so the air conditioning is not running all the time. They typically pay themselves back over time because you're saving an energy cost. The films are designed to either reflect the heat out or absorb the heat. That way, it's not entering the building, and that way your HVAC systems they're not trying to constantly run and keep up with the heat gain mainly in the summertime. I usually want to do dual reflective 15%. Look nice and give you the maximum energy reduction that way you're getting the maximum energy without compromising the looks of it. I want to make sure you're doing enough to justify doing it.